In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use negative fill body effect in Capcut. By the end, you'll know exactly how to highlight a person in your shot by dimming or inverting the background around them, creating a bold, stylized look that instantly draws attention to your subject. Start by opening Capcut. If you're on desktop, launch the editor and create a new project. On mobile, tap to start a new project as well. Give the app a moment to load your workspace so everything runs smoothly. Next, add your video. Import the clip you want to edit and place it on the timeline. If you have multiple clips, choose the one where your subject is clearly visible. Body effects work best when the person is well lit and not moving too fast across the frame, so consider trimming your clip to the portion where the subject is easiest to detect. Make sure your playhead is positioned where you want the effect to begin. Now, click Effects and go to Body Effects. This section is designed to track human figures automatically, so it can apply visual treatments that stick to the body as the person moves. If the app struggles to detect the subject, pause on a frame where the full body or upper body is clearly visible. Good contrast between the subject and the background helps the detection lock on more accurately. From Body Effects, head into the Stroke category. This is where Capcut groups outline style and silhouette-related looks, including the one we want. You'll see a range of options tailored for emphasizing edges and shapes. Choose Negative Fill. Once applied, you'll notice the area around your subject shifts visually, often darkening or inverting tones to make the person pop. If the effect appears on the timeline as its own layer, drag its edges so it covers the full duration you want. Then, open the Effects settings. Here, you can fine-tune intensity to control how dramatic the background change looks. Adjust range or size to define how tightly the effect hugs your subject, and tweak feather or softness to smooth the transition between the subject and the altered background. If the tracking slips during fast movement, try slightly reducing intensity or trimming to the most stable section of the clip. For scenes with busy backgrounds, a bit more feathering usually yields a cleaner, more professional result. Preview your clip from the start to confirm the effect tracks well and complements your footage. If everything looks good, you're all set. That's how to use the negative fill body effect in Capcut for a striking, subject-first look that stands out.